G'day everyone, Declan from Elros Caravans. Today we've got a new product offering that we're going to share with you. It is still in development, so it's not official yet, but we thought we'd do this video for anyone out there that's interested. And if you've already got a build book with us and you are interested in switching over to this, then we've got some time to work out things and see if it's something that we're actually going to integrate into a product offering. So we're relying on customer feedback from this build, but we're also opening it up to anyone that's potentially interested in moving to this, because there's some benefits and obviously drawbacks to this system. So let's dive into it now. Alright, so today we're talking about the Raptor Coat protection. So as you'll see, this van does not have our traditional checker plate on the side of the van. Now this does several things to the van. It's easier for us to integrate into the design at an early stage. So when the walls are actually manufactured, we can get these pre-painted, so they're ready to go. Also, a main benefit to going to the Raptor Coat protection is weight. So on a 20-foot ECX caravan, you could save anywhere up to close to 50 kilos, we estimate, switching over to this Raptor Coat protection package. So there's some significant advantages for people out there that are very weight conscious with those sorts of things. Another added benefit to it as well is it's a lot cleaner look. So it's a smoother finish. And obviously we changed a few things to suit that look as well. So we've changed the side wheel arch profiles to be a flat profile. And also we raised the traditional height from 750 because we use that as a nesting parameter for the sheet sizes that we get in the checker plate. So we usually stop them at 750. On these vans with the Raptor Coat protection, they'll be at the full sheet rise height. And then another question that we've had from people as well is, what do we do at the edge of the chassis here? So this will be our trim piece that will just go on the side there to finish it off. And that gets trimmed and skinned over the end and coated as well. So it won't be that colour, it'll be obviously matching in with the rest of the van. Now, there is a couple of drawbacks potentially to this, and this is why we're saying that this is a beta test of this and seeing if anyone is interested in it, because we don't know how this is going to perform out in the field. However, with experience from cars and our existing chassis that are coated in this protection, we're pretty confident that it will be a long-lasting product. However, it will have some drawbacks to checker plate, whereas if you were to say scratch the side of the van or dent the side of the van with checker plate, it's easy for us to remove that piece of checker plate, replace it with a new piece of checker plate, and it's like nothing ever happened. If you do end up denting, scuffing or anything like that, you can locally patch repair it and then respray it, but you will probably have some discoloration from a match perspective over time as well, because it's going to be hard to replicate the exact spray settings that were set on the spray gun at the time, with various different parameters such as air gun quality, distance that the particular applicant used to spray it on, etc, etc. So there can be variance there. So they're just a couple of things to keep in mind of which way that you are thinking of going if we do start offering this as a product offering. So in terms of cost, the cost's going to be relatively low to upgrade to this. From having done the figures on this first one that we're doing now, you know, the cost wise it's not too much, it's just a little bit more in terms of material and labour time, but then you've just got to weigh up whether you want weight savings or you prefer the look of the checker plate at the end of the day. So Yeah, we've had a fair few inquiries on this, and this customer was happy to be the beta tester for us in this scenario. But yeah, we're looking for your feedback. Do you like this look? Is it something that you would put on your van? Make sure you leave a comment, and also contact us if you're an existing customer and you would like to know more information about getting this onto your van.